You think you know classic horror? But you've never seen these films before. 10 forgotten Gothic nightmares that critics tried to bury, haunted castles, ancient curses, and ghosts that still refuse to rest. Tonight, we're digging up the 10 scariest movies of the 1960s that time forgot. 10. The Blood Beast Terror, 1968. A scientist transforms into a monstrous death's head moth and hunts victims across the English countryside. Critics called it one of the strangest horror films ever made, but beneath the strange creature design lies a genuinely eerie tale of obsession and forbidden science. 9. The Plague of the Zombies, 1966. Long before The Walking Dead, this Cornish village nightmare gave the world some of the earliest and most disturbing zombie imagery ever filmed. A corrupt squire uses voodoo to raise the dead as slave labor in his tin mine, and the dream sequence inside that mine still haunts horror fans today. 8. Die, Monster, Die. 1965. Loosely inspired by H.P. Lovecraft's The Color Out of Space, a young man visits his fiancée's family estate and discovers a meteorite has twisted the land, the plants, and his future father-in-law into something no longer human. It's a slow burn of cosmic dread wrapped in classic Gothic trappings. 7. The Gorgon, 1964. A small European village is terrorized by a creature that turns its victims to stone under the full moon. Starring Peter Cushing and Christopher Lee together, this is Gothic horror at its most tragic and atmospheric, with fog-soaked cemeteries and a monster you almost feel sorry for. 6. The Haunted Palace, 1963. Vincent Price plays a man possessed by the vengeful spirit of his warlock ancestor, in a New England village cursed for generations. Loosely based on an H.P. Lovecraft story, this film blends witchcraft, folk horror, and cosmic dread into one unsettling package. 5. Night Creatures, 1962. Smugglers disguise themselves as skeletal ghost riders to scare away witnesses in a foggy English marsh village. What starts as a clever disguise turns into a genuinely spooky supernatural mystery, full of secrets buried in graveyards. For Pit and the Pendulum, 1961. Vincent Price returns in this adaptation of Edgar Allan Poe's classic tale of madness, inherited guilt, and a torture device that swings closer with every passing second. The finale inside the castle's dungeon remains one of the most tense sequences in Gothic horror history. 3. The Innocents, 1961. A governess becomes convinced that 2 children in her care are possessed by the spirits of the dead. This isn't jump-scare horror. This is slow, creeping dread built entirely on atmosphere and ambiguity. Is it real, or is she losing her mind? You decide. 2. Black Sunday, 1960. A witch executed centuries ago returns from the grave to seek revenge on the descendants of those who condemned her. Mario Bava's directorial debut is soaked in fog, shadows, and genuine nightmare imagery, and it remains one of the most influential horror films most people have never seen. 1. The City of the Dead, 1960. A college student travels to a remote New England town to research witchcraft and finds herself trapped in a village that never escaped the 17th century. This film's fog-drenched atmosphere directly inspired later classics, and it stands as the most complete, most quietly terrifying Gothic horror film of the decade that almost nobody remembers. That's 10 forgotten Gothic horror films that deserve a place next to the classics you grew up with. Which one are you watching first tonight? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more forgotten horror gems like this, subscribe, because the vault has many more nightmares still waiting to be opened.